It is no longer news that Grok AI costs $30 per month. In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 amazing platforms where you can animate your videos, and most of them even does lip sync easily and effortlessly. So do well to watch till the very end. The very first thing to do is come to Google and search for KIE API, and you see this very first option here. Click on it and it will bring you right here to this user interface. Now click on Explore API and you find yourself right here. If you look here, you would see that this has text to video, it has image to video, and it supports lots of models. This is Nano Banana plus Gemini 2.5, Suno API. If you click here, you see Nano Banana Pro, and here we have it, the almighty Grok Imagine. Okay, so everything is here, Sora 2, and the likes. Now, all you have to do is scroll down. So now let's test out the text to video, and you come to the right hand side, you see so many models that you can click on. You see, so we're just going to be clicking on Grok. You see, try it, click on that. Now click on the text to image, image to video, text to image, text to video, extend and upscale. You can see you can do all that right here. So I'm just going to click on text to image. Now edit the image prompt that you have here. So I'm just going to paste in my prompt. Once I paste in my prompt, I click on run. And now we need to sign up. I didn't know why you didn't break this before. I am human. Our prompt is still here, so I'm just going to click on run. And this is the result of the image. It generated two different versions for me. This is one and this is the other one. As you can see, it's beautiful, it's amazing. All you have to do is click here and download this onto your device, and it will automatically download. As you can see, download successful. Now let's go back, allow multiple downloads. Now let's come back here and use the image to video button. We're going to click here to add the image you want to animate. As you can see, the image has been uploaded to the website. If you scroll down, you see this is the way you put your prompt. You can see, and this is where you choose normal, spicy, or fun. In scenes where you have romance and some kind of shooting, you can use spicy. So I'm just going to leave it on normal, and you can either choose 6 seconds or 10 seconds. So I'll choose 10 seconds. So the aspect ratio of the uploaded image is 9:16. So I'm just going to click on 9:16, and you have 480p resolution and 720. So I'll click on 720 resolution. So now I've imputed what I want them to say. The husband and wife are talking on the bed. So I use woman to represent the wife and man to represent the husband. So this is what I want them to say. So once all that is done and all my aspect ratio is set up, I'm just going to click on run. And this is going to cost us about 30 credits. I don't know how many credits this platform actually gives, but we're just going to wait and see what happens after this. To check if your video is ready, all you have to do is scroll back to the top and your video should be right here. Now, as you can see, this video is 10 seconds long, just like the way we set it up in the settings. Now, let me play it and see what it sounds like.
I have good news for you.
Good news?
Yes, but you have to guess.
You got me a contract. I am not good at guessing, please.
Okay, you can see that it actually said everything I wanted it to say in the video. To download your video, you have to just click here and it will download onto your device. You can see there, right there. You can also locate and click on these three dots right here and click on download, and it will download onto your device. Is go back to image to video and then upload a new file. You just click here and upload a new file. Let me upload this one and see if the three characters will be able to interact with one another. Now, the second image has uploaded successfully. I want to remove this one to avoid confusion. Okay, so I'm just going to scroll down. I'll set it at 10 seconds, 9:16, 720p. So now let me just input my prompt. So this is my image, and according to my image, I have three different guys. We have one on dread, the one at the middle, and the one at the right hand side is bald. So those are the unique features that I'm going to use to identify three of them so as not to mess up the dialogue. So this is what I said. They are discussing in Nigerian English. The guy on dread said, Kunle, my guy, how is life treating you? The bald guy said, meaning that the guy that does not have hair on his head, said, Musa, life has been rough lately. And the guy at the middle said, the economy is not smiling at all. So, all that being said, this to normal, this to 10 seconds, this to 9 by 720 resolution. I'm going to click on run while we wait for that to generate. If you scroll up at the top right corner here, you see that the video is generating. We just have to be patient. This is not as fast as Grok, but it's quite manageable since it's free at the moment. Now the video is ready. Let's just play it and see what we have. So I'm just going to click here on
Kule,
play.
my guy, how is life treating you? Musa, life has been rough lately. The economy isn't smiling at all.
Hmm, it's not bad, but it didn't really do well like Grok will. But even while I was generating this on Grok, it took me multiple times. I had to generate it multiple times before I could actually get the exact person I want to talk to say what it did. But this is not bad at all. As you can see, this is another 10 seconds. So I'm just going to click here to download this, and you can download that onto your device, or you click here and you click on download right here. Now you see that you can use this platform to animate your video, at least to an extent, until you exhaust whatever unlimited slot you're given. Okay. Another website you can use is Qwen AI. Just go to Google and type in Qwen AI. You see this particular one here. Click on it, and then it opens this user interface for you. Sign up or sign in if you already have an account with them. And this platform allows you generate images and videos for free, 100% free, no charges at all. So I'm just going to click here and I click on sign up. So come to the top here. Make sure you're on Qwen 3.5 Plus. That is the newest model. You can see that. That's the newest model. So just click on it. To generate an image on Qwen AI, click on this plus sign. You see all this. You can see there are so many things you can do: deep research, image generation, video creation, web development, and the likes. You can even click on more and you see a lot more things that you can do. But we are here for video creation. So I'm just going to click on video. To upload the image you want to animate, click on this plus sign and then click on upload attachment. I'm going to click here. Upload the image of your choice, and now you can paste in your prompts right here, what you want them to say and how you want them to say it. Then you click on the enter button. Now let me type in my prompt. Because this platform generates only 5 seconds video per time, I'm just going to do one person first, then I'll do the second person later. Now we can now combine the video together in any video editing platform. So I'm just going to click on enter right here and we'll wait for the video to generate. And guys, the video is ready and this is what we have. Let me play it.
Do you know that there are free platforms where you can generate videos for free?
Yeah, look at that. I actually told it to use Nigerian English and it actually did that. So you can just click here and download this onto your device. So if you want the lady to talk, now you're going to upload the image again and then you give the lady what to say. So now I've added what I want her to say. I'm just going to click on generate. And this platform is free for now. As at the time of making this video, this platform is still 100% free. But the video generation process is quite slow compared to what you are used to in Grok. But for a free platform, your patience might be what you are using to make payments. Okay, so just exercise the patience. The second video is ready for the lady to speak, and now let's see what we have.
To generate videos for free.
Wow, that's a good one. I have been searching all over the internet ever since Grok went paid.
As you can see, it comes with a little bit of emotion and gestures, which is not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. All you have to do is combine your videos together in your video editor and you have something great to work with. Another platform you can use is Wan.video, and just type in this in the search bar in Google search bar, and then it will bring you here. Click on this very first link and it will take you to the platform. Just come here and click on try now, and then you need to sign up using your Gmail. Okay, so let me just log in. I already have an account with them. So now you can see the user interface is quite beautiful. We have the video generation, we have the image, and we have the avatar. Yes, this platform can make your avatar talk. To generate image on One, just come here and click on generate. And then you have this user interface. You see all the previous ones you've generated if you've ever used this platform before now. So I'm just going to click here, and I click here on this video. Click on video. You can have a start frame and an end frame, and you can also add an audio to it. So this platform is amazing. So I'm just going to click on this and attach just one image. I don't want to use start and end frame, so I'm just going to click here. Now close this, paste in your prompts, and then come here and select the options available to you. You can see 1080p is only available for paid user, and 5 seconds is available for free user, 720p, and the likes. So you can decide to generate with credits if you have the credits on this platform. If you don't, just generate it. It is absolutely free to generate. So I'm just going to click here, and it will start generating the video for me automatically. As you can see right here, the video has started generating.
This flower smells great. What an intentional man. Let me go and get ready for my date.
Download this, just click here, and you'll be able to download it with watermark because we are on the free plan. If you're getting value from this video, do well to like, subscribe if you haven't, and turn on the bell notification so that you can get notified each time I upload a new video like this one. Let's continue. Another platform you can also try out is Digen AI. Go to Google and search for Digen AI and click on the very first link right there, and you can sign up. This platform actually gives you some free credits for a start, and every single day you log in, you get more credits. And your previous credits that you didn't exhaust will add up to the next one. So you have a lot to work with. So sign up and then just cancel this. As you can see up right here, you see that I have some credits. On this platform, you get free credits, and if you do not use it, it's going to roll over the following day if you log in. This Digen platform actually houses a lot of video models. You can find Sora 2 and VO3, Cdance, and the likes on this platform. To generate your video, click on Create right here, and it will open this user interface for you. This is where you upload the image you would like to animate. So you click on this upload button right here to upload your image, and I just did that. This is the image I would like to animate, and you can see it also has a start and end frame. In case you want your video to continue in another slide, you can use that particular option right here. Everything in this video can be done on your smartphone. All you have to do is use the web version like I'm doing, and you'll be able to access it just the exact way you can see. This is where you input your prompts right here. The exact thing you want the person to do in your video, this is where you input it. You only have access to 5 seconds video and 480p on the free platform, and it also comes with a tiny watermark which we can manage. Okay, so I'm just going to put in my prompt right here, and I'll hit the generate button. Please take note that we are under the video model right here. I've inputted my prompt. I want her to hold up the pregnancy test strip, and with a mischievous smile on her face, she said, Kunle, you want a baby, right? I'll give you what you want. Now I'm just going to click on generate. This is going to cost us 20 credits. And by that time, I'll be left with 100 credits. At the right hand side here, the video is being generated. All you have to do is wait for some seconds, depending on how busy the platform is and also your network. As you can see, we're going to wait for 2 minutes for this video to be ready. Our video is ready. Let's play it and see what it sounds like.
Kunle, you want a baby, right? I will give you what you want. Kunle, you want a baby, right? I will give you what you want.
This is not bad at all. It's not bad. It's very close to what I actually generated from Grok, and the emotion also matches well. So try out Digen for your animation and lip sync. The lip sync is perfect. Okay, the lip sync is perfect. To download this, just click here, click on this button right here, and it will download this onto your device. Like I said, all the platforms I use in this video can be worked on your phone and on your laptop. Whichever device you're using is going to work for you perfectly. The last but not the least platform I want to share with you is Meta AI. Come to Google and type in Meta AI, and you're going to see it right here. All you need is your Facebook or your Instagram login details to be able to sign up onto this platform, and you'll be able to generate endless images and videos on this platform 100% free as at the time of making this video. So I'm just going to click here and log in. I'm logged in. To create an image or video, come to the left hand side and click on create. And here you have to select either video or image you want to generate. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're going to stick with video. So I've changed this to video. Then I'll click here to upload my image. You can just upload an image and click on OK, and add in your prompt. If you don't have any prompts, you could just click on animate, because this platform does not generate an audio alongside your video, so you might take note of that. The kind of videos you generate from Meta AI is suitable for narration style storytelling, where you have to do a voiceover on top of the videos that you have. So this does not contain dialogue, it will not give you background sound, nothing at all. As you can see, the video is ready. And all you have to do is just click here and it will download this onto your device. You can also extend the video. To extend any video of your choice, just click here and then come to the right hand side here. You see the extend button, and you can just click on extend, and it will begin to extend the video from the exact place it stopped on the last part. Now you can also add music here. There are a lot of copyrighted music here, so tread carefully when you want to add music from this platform. You can actually search for celebrity style music and you'll find them here. You can add it to your video and it will animate it alongside the video. I don't know why the teardrops are looking like strings connected together, but as you can see, the video is quite okay. And you could also go back and generate just text to video, and it will generate a text to video for you. And this is the video it generated for me, 4 different videos, as you can see. So I can choose to download any one of them. So if you have a narration storytelling channel, Meta AI is the best platform you can use to animate your videos and then do a voiceover over it. Okay. I'm sure you got value from this video. If you have any question about any of this platform, or there's any video you'd like me to create in the future, please drop a note in the comment section. And if you don't have any question but you got value from this video, type my thank you in the comment section. Till I come your way next time, I remain your girl Zara, and I'll see you in my next video. But before you go, do well to check out some of my previous videos and you will not be disappointed. See you in the next one. Ciao.